In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can add a gradient to a text in Adobe Illustrator. So I have my text here, and if I select it, I can choose to change the color, and that works. But if I choose to add a gradient, as you can see, it doesn't really add that gradient. So what we can then do is go to Appearance, and if Appearance isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Appearance here, or press Shift F6. And then in Appearance, we're going to add a new fill by clicking here. And this new fill here, you can choose to add a gradient, like that. Now we have added a gradient. If we go to Gradient here, we can tweak this gradient. And if you press G, then you can tweak it like this. You can change the colors, change the way it's orientated, just like that. So play around with that, but that's the way you can add a gradient to a text in Adobe Illustrator. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.